Thank you for your interest in our DE-28. This is the world's only tabletop model of pharmaceutical machine, and which Dynafold is proud to present it to you. There are 2 plates in the front. There are 2 of the identical plates in the back. There is a sheet holder and feeder. We also have the feeder mechanism on the top. It allows you to adjust for paper thickness, and this will help guide you through the way. I'll show you later on in this demonstration. It comes with a stacker which has its own motor and its own speed. These 2 machines work hand in hand together to give you a pharmaceutical folder. This is a new patented design. Because it has 2 plates in the front and 2 plates in the back, your paper goes in and it weaves through all 4 plates. It doesn't actually go all the way inside the plate and go all the way into the other one. It just kind of weaves through, and that's what gives you your 1-inch fold for a pharmaceutical fold. The easy paper thickness adjustment requires you to turn your knob on the top. Most folders on the market come with this mechanism, but what makes our Dynafold DE-28 unique, if you watch carefully on your top roller, the minute you see it move, that means your paper thickness is ready. Another way to make sure that your paper thickness is correct, you'll want to take 2 of the sheets that you're ready to fold, put them together, and place them into your paper sheet tray. Put your roller down onto your sheet. Now you're going to turn your orange knob. If you notice, only 1 sheet of your paper is moving. Your machine is ready and the paper thickness is correct. This is a double check system to make sure that you have set up your machine properly. Because our pharmaceutical folder DE-28 has 4 plates, we start with 12 basic folds. You can actually do more than 12. You can do a whole variety because you're allowed to do custom folds on this new patented machine. This is a folded sheet of paper that's already gone through the DE-28. When I talk about 1/5 of its paper length, the overall length of paper minus 1/5 of its length. This total length here now is what your first tray is going to be set at. Your second tray is going to be 1/5 less again. This length of your paper is what your second tray is going to be set at, and so forth and so on. This machine will create this fold on 1/5 of its paper length. On this particular unit, we have an optional feature set up right now. We're showing how it can also score, which makes it easily foldable and fit into any pharmaceutical product or even cosmetic product and a realm of other products that require this type of insert. This is the type of fold that our machine is set up to do right now. Let me show you how it works. The first thing you want to do when you start your machine is you want to start your stacker and turn on the power and make sure that the motor is turned on. That enables your paper, once it's folded, to be neatly stacked. This is the first process that needs to be turned on before your machine gets turned on. The second thing you want to do is turn on your machine. If you're using your base counter, I'll show you in the demonstration how that works later. But for now, we're just going to show the operation of your machine. I turn my machine off first, then I turn my stacker off. As you can see, it does it quite fast. Your pharmaceutical folder DE-28 does 8,000 pieces in an hour. It neatly stacked them, it neatly folded them. This is how your base counter works. Now remember, your pharmaceutical machine, or DE-28 comes with a base counter and a batch counter. Right now we're going to have it on automatic. Your black switch is switched to the letter A. This is going to show how it will do a batch counting. We're going to put however many number of pieces you wish. I'm going to put mine to 10. You want to fan out your sheets of paper first. Make sure that your feed roller is placed in the down position. We've set up our counter. We have it on A. Remember, you need to turn your stacker on first. This is really important. Going to turn our speed up a little bit and turn your machine on. Now it's going to start folding. Your Dynafold DE-28 comes with a basic base counter and batch counter. We've already seen how the batch counter works. Now let's see how your base counter works. You're going to move your black button from the A position down to the M position or up. I have my machine set for 10 pieces. It'll fold 10 pieces and then it's going to stop. Let me show you how this works. Remember, turn your stacker on first. Then we'll turn our machine on. That's 10 pieces. Now your machine stops pulling from your feeder tray and it's done a base count of 10 sheets and it stops. It won't pull anymore unless I push the reset button like this. Now I'm done. That's how your base counter works on your DE-28.